Welcome to Upvoit. In this video, we'll explore the Timesheet Module, your central hub for tracking employee hours, approving timesheets, processing payroll, and managing payroll slips. Whether you're an employee logging time or an administrator managing payroll, this module keeps everything organized and accurate. Let's begin. From the main menu, open Timesheets. The Timesheet module is organized into 4 main tabs: Timesheets, Approve Timesheets, Confirm Payroll, and Payroll Slip. Depending on your role and permissions, you may see all tabs or only the ones relevant to you. Let's start with the Timesheets tab. This is where individual time entries are viewed and managed. Begin by selecting an employee from the Employee Name dropdown. Once selected, the employee's email is displayed, and the timesheet list updates automatically. You can quickly filter time entries by date. Click Today to see today's entries, use the date picker for a specific day, or select a custom date range based on your payroll period. You can also filter entries by job status. Each row in the timesheet table shows detailed information about the time entry. You'll see whether the time is job-related or general, the date, job or purchase order number, notes, start and end times, straight hours, overtime hours, and total cost or billing amounts based on your permissions. You'll also see whether the entry is marked as billable. In the Timesheet module, you can log time in 2 ways: by adding a labor entry to a specific job, or by adding a time entry directly within the Timesheet module. Both types of entries will appear here. To add a new entry, click Add Time. Select the job or general, date, enter start and end times. Set the billable status. Billable status. You can find this under Settings, then System Configuration, and finally the Invoice tab. This setting controls whether job hours are billable to clients by default. It determines if the hours logged by your team on a job will automatically be marked as billable, and add notes if needed. Click Save to create the entry. To edit an entry, click the edit icon next to it, make your changes, and save. Entries that have already been paid cannot be edited or deleted and will appear in view-only mode. To delete an unpaid entry, click the delete icon and confirm. At the bottom of the table, you'll see totals for the selected period: straight hours, overtime hours, total cost, total billing, and total hours worked. This gives you a quick summary without leaving the page. Next, let's move to Approve Timesheets. This tab is available to managers and administrators with approval permissions. Here, you'll see a list of employees with hours awaiting approval. Each employee shows their total hours for the selected period. Expand an employee to review their daily breakdown. You can see straight hours, overtime hours, total hours, and travel miles if tracked. Review the entries carefully, select the dates you want to approve, and click Approve. If there are no hours awaiting approval, you'll see a message confirming that everything is already up to date. Now let's move to Confirm Payroll. This is where payroll is processed. The main view shows all employees with a payroll summary for the selected period. You'll see straight and overtime hours, total hours, allowances, expenses, other, and the total payable amount. You can search for employees, filter by date range, or hide zero-amount entries to focus on what needs action. Click View next to an employee to open their detailed payroll breakdown. At the top, you'll see all logged hours, included in the payroll period. Each entry shows date, name, job completed date, day, job details, PO number, straight and overtime hours, travel, miles, straight and overtime rate, travel rate, and total amounts. Below that, you'll see reimbursable job expenses submitted by the employee. Let's take a short overview of allowances. You can find this Settings, then System Configuration, and finally the Payroll tab under Allowance, select Yes or No. To add allowances, go to Settings, Users tab, create a new user or edit an existing one, and under the Payroll and Billing section you can add or select already created allowances. When payroll runs, these allowances are automatically added for the user by default. If allowances are enabled, they appear in the Allowances section. Here you can review travel allowances or other custom allowances. Allowances can be edited, deleted, or selected for inclusion in the current payroll run. You can also add earnings or deductions. This is useful for bonuses, commissions, reimbursements, advances, or other adjustments. Enter the date, type, description, and amount, then save. These deductions can be applied for reasons like late arrival, early checkout, unpaid breaks, or manual adjustments. Earnings increase the total, while deductions reduce it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the total payable amount. Once everything is reviewed, select the items you want to include and click Mark as Paid. You can also download employee payroll reports in PDF and CSV formats. This finalizes the payroll for that employee Next, let's look at the Payroll Slip tab. This section stores historical payroll records. You can search by employee name, filter by date range, or select a specific technician. Each payroll slip shows the covered period, who approved it, and a full payment summary. Click View to see the complete payroll breakdown. This includes logged hours, expenses, allowances, earnings, deductions, and the final total amount. You can also send payroll slips directly to employees using the email option. The system supports multiple payroll periods. To configure this, go to the Settings menu, open System Configuration, and select the Payroll tab. Based on your setup, payroll can run weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or on a custom schedule. For standard payroll periods, the date range is calculated automatically by the system.